Hi guys, let's talk about goal setting. Every individual should be setting goals because goals are targets that you are trying to achieve. And I have a diagram here which I prefer to use because it allows you to set goals on a personal level and on a professional level as well. Thinking about the short term and also long term. And here's how it works. It's very simple. On the left side, bottom, and down here you have short term and personal. So here we are thinking about personal goals that you have in the next 6 months to 1 year. So less than 1 year. And here you have long term personal goals. So that's probably 1 to 5 years. Or you can even say 10 years, no problem. On the upper left side you have professional goals which are short term. That means again less than 1 year. And here we are talking about professional 1 to 5 or 10 years. Professional but long-term goals. So you need to separate all the different goals that you have into one of those 4 categories. And make sure that in each quadrant you have at least 3. That way you will be sure that you have thought about all aspects. Personal level, professional level, short-term and long-term. You can have more than 3. In fact, you can have 3 to 5, but minimum, in my opinion, is 3. For example, what is a short-term professional goal? For example, if you want to get a raise and you are doing something in order to make this happen in the next 3 months or 6 months, that's a short-term professional goal. Long-term professional goal can be to finish an MBA. You want to study further, you want to continue and complete an MBA, that will take you 1 or 2 or 3 years depending what kind of program you choose, and I'm going to list it under the long-term goals. Now, personal goals, short-term, it could be you want to invest in stocks. Within the next year, you want to start investing in stocks. It's never too late, they say. And then long-term, you want to create your own business. So you want to start thinking now, but in the next 2 or 3 years, you want to establish your own business. So that's a long-term goal. So try to work out with this model and see if you can create additional goals and have at least 12 goals. So if you go 3 to 5, you will have 3 times 4, that's 12, or 4 times 5, that's 20. So you will have 12 to 20 goals in total, and they will be easily categorized for you into personal and professional, short-term and long-term. And then you need to think, what do I need to do now, starting today, in order to achieve those goals by the time that they need to be achieved. I hope you have enjoyed this model, and I hope you will start using it because it will produce good results like it did for me. Thank you.